Okay, here's a video of my new tree, my new fake tree. It turns around and it stays on, the multi-lights stay on, and then there's a remote. What do I do with the remote? I don't know, get remote. That will change it to, I think it goes off after this. Okay, off. And then this is a combination of the white lights, and they flicker back and forth to the multicolor lights. Or you flick it again and you could just have all white lights and it's still turning. Or you could flick it again and get the multicolor lights and it's still turning. And then it goes off. Cool, huh? That's the way I'll have it for years and years and years and years and years and years. Okay, that's it.